Hi, I'm Jerry Castro, Project Manager and Consultant with Pragmatic AI Labs. We're talking today about Agile and why it makes sense to use Agile as our software development lifecycle model for software development. In our last video, we talked about what makes a project, that a project is a one-time temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result, and how we differentiate a project from an ongoing organizational or operational process. We described how the development lifecycle is associated with the development of our unique product, service, or result, and how our development lifecycle maps primarily to the carrying out of work or execution phase of our project. We talked a little bit about the different types of life cycles and gave some examples of the types of projects where each of those models are most appropriate. Today, I want to talk a little bit about Agile, what makes Agile unique, and why Agile is the best choice for our software development projects. You may recall in our last video how we emphasized the importance of requirements gathering and how we need to really be diligent in collecting very detailed requirements, as this will be the foundational footing of a successful project. But what if getting detailed requirements is not possible? What if our project sponsor can't really describe in specific detail what the end product or service should look like or how it should work? Well, this is where Agile really shines and why Agile is pretty much the de facto standard for software development projects. Unlike some projects where the requirements can be and need to be very detailed, like building a house or launching a satellite, building software and creating software application or service usually means you'll have a rough framework of requirements, but much of what you're building will get its shape from iterating, testing, and improvements made from feedback along the development lifecycle. This iteration and feedback mechanism is what separates Agile from the predictive or more process-driven lifecycle models, and what really gives Agile its advantage when it comes to building software product that relies on a more results-oriented, change-driven approach. Agile focuses on delivering results early in product development lifecycle. This benefits both the customer and the project team, and they'll rely on this iteration feedback mechanism to make improvements and ultimately produce the best product, service, or result. Agile also promotes the engagement of the project team members as local domain or subject matter experts in integration management. That is, the team members have a significant stake in determining how plans and components should integrate. Well, this is only a small sample of the advantages of using Agile for software development. In our next video, we'll look at real-world examples of a software development project where we use Agile Scrum in Jira, and how we use our backlog and sprints to prioritize our tasks, track our progress, and deliver our software product. Thanks for watching. See you next time.